জয় জয় মাধব দইতে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে রাধে গোকুলতরুণী মোহিতে গোকুলতরুণী মণ্ডল মোহিতে গোকুলতরুণী মণ্ডল মোহিতে গোকুলতরুণী মণ্ডল মোহিতে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে রাধে হে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে দামোদর রতি বর্ধন বেশে হরি নিষ্কুট বৃন্দা বিপিনেশে দামোদর রতি বর্ধন বেশে হরি নিষ্কুট বৃন্দা বিপিনেশে দামোদর রতি বর্ধন বেশে হরি নিষ্কুট বৃন্দা বিপিনেশে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে হে রাধে জয় জয় দইতে ভানু দধি বৃষভানু দধি নবশশী লেখে বৃষ ললিতা সখী গুণ রমিত বিশাখে ললিতা সখী গুণ রমিত বিশাখে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে করুণাঙ্কুরুময়ী করুণা ভরিতে করুণাঙ্কুরুময়ী করুণা ভরিতে সনক সনাতন বর্ণিত চরিতে রাধে জয় জয় দইতে হে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে গোকুল তরুণী মণ্ডল মোহিতে গোকুল মণ্ডল মোহিতে গোকুল তরুণী মণ্ডল মোহিতে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে রথে বরধন বেশে রথি বরধন বেশে হরি নিষ্কুট বৃন্দা বিপিনে দামোদর রতি বরধন বেশে হরি নিষ্কুট বৃন্দা বিপিনেশে রাধে মাধব দইতে বৃষভানুদধি নবশশি লেখে বৃষভানু জয় রাধে নবশশি লেখে বৃষভানু ললিতা সখী গুণ রমিত বিশাখে রমিখে দইতে হে জয় করুময় ইতে করুণাং করুময় করুণাং করুময় করুণা জয় রাধে করুণাং করুময় করুণা ভরিতে সনক সনত চরিতে সনক সনাতন হরিতে জয় জয়তে করুণাং করুময়ী করুণা জয় রাধে জয় রাধে করুণাং করুময়ী করুণা ভরিতে করুণাং করুময়ী উপাসন নিত চরিতে সনাতন বর্ণিত চরিতে রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দইতে হে রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ রাম রাম হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে Hare Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare Radhe 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 Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe Radhe Govinda Jai Radhe Radhe Madan Mohan Madan Mohan Radhe Radhe Madan Mohan Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Gopinath Radhe 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 Jai Radhe Radhe Gopinath Radhe 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 Gopinath Radhe 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 Gopinath Radhe 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 Gopinath Radhe Jaya Gaura Gadadhara 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 Gaura Nitai Jaya Gaura Nitai Gauranitai Jaya Gauranitai Gauranitai
Jaya Gauranitai Jaya
Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Jaya Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango
Nitai Gauranga Nitai Gauranga Jaya Nitai Gauranga
Jai Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Jaya Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango
Nitai Gauranga Nitai Gauranga Jaya Nitai Gauranga
Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva
Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva
Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada
Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada
Jai Prabhupada Jaya Jai Prabhupada Jai Prabhupada Jaya Jai Prabhupada Jai Prabhupada
Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Prabhupada
Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Nitai Gaura
Hare Bol
Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Hari Bol Sri Rupam Evam Snapada in the world of their pastime spontaneously composed by Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. So we naturally understand the quality of the prema, Radha Krishna prema. No. Srila Rupa Goswami Prabhu in Gaura Lila and Srimati Rupa Manjari inside. Living life. Not only Sri beautiful Rupa Manjari, Krishna Leela, Radha, the Radha Gopinath Leela. And the songs this. Okay. My beloved Lord, listen to you, my beloved Ishtadev, who is holding the unlimited nectar of divine love in his heart and became turned into Madhava, Madhvi. The term Madhava, by his own nectarian nature, own nectarian, beauty of love for you. What happened? His mind, heart, everything also became helplessly captured by you, by your wonderful beauty and by your own wonderful, unfathomable beauty, excellence, and attractive power of love. And being captured by your ecstatic love for Lord Madhava, Gaur Hari Bol. He became, he also became manifested in his playful pastimes with you, as if, beloved Lord to you, as beloved Lord to you. Madhava Daite. He discovered about you that you are the best beloved of himself, Madhava. So, the meaning is that everybody knows that you are so beloved to Madhava, Lord Madhava. But at the same time, Madhava also your beloved. In a similar way, Madhava, Lord Madhava is so much beloved to you. It is difficult to say who is more beloved to who in comparison. In comparison with the intensity of love for each other. So, being, as Lord Madhava, so because you became so beloved to Madhava, so Lord Madhava also became beloved to you in order to, because of his natural, reciprocative, loving relationship with you. Gokula Toruni Mandala Mahite. Among all the Tarunis, among all the young, beautiful damsels of the Braja, you stand out. You stand out to be the super excellent, beautiful one, who charms, who fascinates, deeply fascinates, and charms all other beautiful damsels of the Braja as being queen of all of them. Not only that, and thereby, by your charming beauty, by your charming, loveliness, wonderful beauty, you also attract the heart of Lord Madhava. Therefore, you became so Daita, beloved to Madhava, creating unlimited charm about yourself, about your super excellent loving devotion for Madhava. You became In one hand, you became so beloved. On the other hand, Madhava also felt that you are the topmost beloved in his own life, and thereby not only you became devoted to Lord Madhava, your love for Madhava made him to be so loyal to you, so much submissive, surrendered to you in his helpless love, in his helpless love feelings for you. Such is the nature of the intimate relationship, intimate transcendental relations between you, Madhava Daite, and your beloved Lord, Madhava. Madhava means himself, although he himself is the personification of all love nectar. Yet, that same personification of all divine love nectar, known as Madhava, becomes completely captured, helplessly captivated by the power of your love. So much so, at times, even Lord Madhava submits himself, almost surrenders himself in love to you, as you also do in relation to Sri Madhava. In other words, devotes, as Lord Madhava devotes himself in love, inexplicable, unaccountable love for you, as in reciprocation, you also do the same to your beloved. So the inner meaning of this kind of devotional song means, it portrays some reciprocational madhurya rasa relationship between the divine couple of the transcendental Braj. Damodara rati bardhana beshe. So, Hari Nishkuta Brinda Vipineshi. You approach to your beloved Lord Damodara, beautifully dressed up in such a way so that it arouses in him intense love, intense devotional love for you, O Sri Radhe. In other words, Lord Damodara became overwhelmed, with taste of bliss, while you approach him, being dressed up, being dressed in such a way so that it arouses, enhances Lord Damodara's love feelings for you, because you know the ways of the choice, ways of the likings of Lord Damodara, which ways of the dressings and clothes, which ways of the presentations of yourself to him he likes, the most, you know. You expertly know all this. So, thus, so you approach your beloved Lord Damodara in this same way, so that he receives, he becomes so much pleased to see you in that kind of adornment, that kind of beautiful dress and adornment which he simply adores to see. And in that way, when you approach him, Lord Damodara becomes immersed. He becomes immersed in the unlimited ocean of ecstatic love for you, who himself is the personification of all ecstatic divine love and love joy. He takes so much bliss, nectar-giving bliss from your love, from your loving approach to him. So, therefore Rupa Goswami says, who can really describe your unlimited glories, O Sri Radhe? All glories to your divine grace, your gracious excellency, Queen of Braja, beloved Queen of the life of Damodara. Damodara means one who became one, who got this name by being tied with the rope of love of Mother Jashoda around his waist. Being tied with the rope of the love of Mother Jashoda, Braja Gopis, he manifested with this beautiful name as Damodara. Damo means rope, Udara means belly, around belly region, Yasha. So one who became beautified with being tied with the rope around his belly, Damodara. In other words, one who was beautifully manifested, or who became beautified being helplessly tied with the rope of love of Mother Jashoda around his belly, in which whole universe represented. Damodara. Okay, so Damodara Rati Vardhana Beshe Hari Nishkuta Vrinda Vipineshe. You manifest, you gloriously manifest to be the glorious Ishari, goddess of Braja, Vrinda Vipina, goddess of Vrinda Vipina or Braja. In this way, by pleasing, by attracting and inundating the heart of your beloved Lord Damodara with your wonderful, loving approach to him. So much so, as if everything, the taste, by enhancing the love taste of Damodara for yourself, okay, to the limitlessness. Vardhana. Vardhana beshe. Vardhana means enhancing, increasing. Increasing, enhancing, uplifting. Your approach, your beautiful association, intimate association, and loving approach towards Damodar factually enhances, uplifts his mind and heart so much in ecstatic love for you, and thereby he becomes fulfilled in relishing that pastimes with you. Therefore, although Lord Damodara is known to be the Supreme Lord of the Braja, okay, to be the Supreme God, Supreme Beautiful, Beloved Lord of Braja, but being a beloved Goddess of even Lord Damodara, you actually manifest to be the real Goddess, most beautiful Goddess, Mistress, Queen of the Braja, Vrinda Vipinese, Ishe, Vipino Ishe. Hare Krishna. Then the song goes on. Vrishabhanu dadhi navashashi lekhe lalita shakhi guna ramita vishakhi. Maybe the next day we can be explaining more about. Today I need to humbly remain here. Hare Krishna. Gaur Hari Bol. Hmm.